Available in 4 naturally inspired scents.
Chesty cough? Bentlin Herbal Cough Syrup with naturally derived ivy leaf extract loosens and removes mucus to effectively decongest the chest and relieve cough. The strength of Bentlin science, not herbal.
Nicorette gum relieves nicotine cravings fast. Your willpower can do amazing things, but sometimes it can use a little extra help. Help give more power to your willpower.
Choose this life over friends, over family, and never quit.
See, like to play with knives. Well, I play no more.
Spend the whole second in the guitar.
What's wrong with Brian Rowe?
That's your height.
Right. Well, anyway, Mr. Morrell gets in his car and drives over to Peter's place.
Parks in the driveway, goes inside.
Peter's at an appointment and his girlfriend Cheryl is...
Bouncing here with the Willises.
The only person that's in the house is the killer. He waits for Mr. Morrell to come in, turn his back, stabs him, and the killer leaves. And Peter drives up, sees me.
Miss Corbett, would you please stand? You recognize her, don't you? She's been having an affair with her husband, hasn't she? Did you love your husband? Yes, I loved him. You didn't resent his affair? Yes. And when you heard that his health...
This is a very, very good power tool set, especially for a woman who lives alone. It's really, really nice. It's charging, no batteries needed. Forward, reverse, in the middle, doesn't move. It tells you it needs to be charged. The little power cord comes with it. Oh my gosh, the hammer is so cute. Oh wow, I didn't even see this under here. Wow, this is very nice. If you are on the fence about buying this, please don't be. Run and put this in your cart and purchase ASAP. I'm so glad I bought this. Wow. I don't even know what half the... Oh, look, this is extra blades. Got a blade cutter. Wow. Yeah, this is worth the money. Yeah. Very worth it. Okay. Oh, this is so nice.
So this is obviously damaged. So a lot of this stuff actually fell in the box all through here. This came disorganized. Like these things were falling out of place. And I just opened it.
I'm very happy with this purchase. I believe that this tool set comes with everything that you need to empower the handy girl in you. JA Nursing endorsed. I love it.